Cassie, and today I'm cooking a creamiest, yummiest egg. Everybody, today it's me, Cassie. I'm cooking a creamiest, yummy egg. First, we're gonna wash our hands. Look, it looks like a glue. First, we're gonna get a bowl and a small plate. Come on! Now, a fork and the eggs and all the ingredients. Get the egg and the salt. Get the milk. Get the butter. Get the fork. Now we're all set up to wash our egg. I cannot reach it. Scrub.
Wala.
Now our egg is clean. Time to go back. Now to crack our egg. Closer, 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 closer. I cannot crack it. You crack. Can you crack it? You. Wow! Be careful because you're brave. Be careful because you're brave. Be careful because you're brave. But I can crack it, the balance. So I can crack it. Wow! I cannot crack it. Whoa.
No.
It's okay. Wow, this egg is really hard to crack. And it's fried, of course. I think I'm doing it. I'm doing it. This egg. Do this. My stuff. I think I made it. I made it. I think I made it. Yep, I really made it. Now to mix it. But we still need to wash our hands because all that top thing is so dirty of our hands. And I got a shell and some water in my hands. Come on, let's wash again. We got so sticky things like an air glue, or you can stick with slime. Now the egg don't have boiled. Now we can mix. Now we can mix the egg.
What's that?
Salt. Now to add the milk. Wow, your milk is melting. Oops. I think let's get this to the refrigerator. We got to clean up. Now to mix. Continue mixing. we need to ask help from your mom to cook the egg. We can start cooking the egg. Put the butter in the pan. Pour the egg. Flip the egg. And we're done.
Kasi.
Yum. It's yummy with Milo. Let's make some Milo. Come on. You can watch my video on how to make Milo. Oh, tama na. Wow. This Milo is gonna be good. Some ice. Can you make some ice now? No. I don't need this anyway. So what are we gonna do with this now?
Eat.
Wait a second! Look at this ice. It was a fun day until it rained. It was a fun day until it rained. Let's dig in. Enjoy our snack. Happy eating. Please like this video. Make sure you subscribe. See you again next week. Bye-bye.